Yes, people, I'm the Livingston again. I wanna do. Yeah, man, time for another reasoning. Pull up a chair, pull up a chair. See? Eh. Who say the video with Andrew Holness up our compound? A dance in the Maroon celebrations. Who see that? Why, when I see the video, I was kind of taken aback still. But then I remind myself, say, Andrew Holness a Jamaican. And Jamaican culture, theme culture too. Man not just the Prime Minister. So whatever we feel as our culture, a theme culture to every Prime Minister culture. Even them white. Because every Jamaican Prime Minister is a Jamaican. Yeah? So it not really, when you look upon it, it not look strange to see my drop some Brookings and some and some dinky minute. And the woman them up and a deal with it, and yeah, everybody seem happy. So me really wonder, what happened there? Did Andrew Holness and Chief Currie sing them kumbayas and everything is no water under the bridge and there is no longer any kind of tension, any kind of misunderstanding in the air. Whatever it is a good look. And to the Colonel's credit, he was very gracious. Yeah, actually joining at the dance, and but we don't know, they come like the Prime Minister more nimble than the Colonel, We don't know if we don't see it. I'm going to show you, watch this. When you see that, it just show we say right now, at the end of the day, all of we are Jamaicans. And when it comes to the culture, we all sharing it, we all experience it, and it just in a way really. So, the Prime Minister can get up and do some Brookings, man, some dinky mini drop some coming up. See, drop some legs. And the truth is that the Prime Minister have roots down the road from a compound, Prime Minister have roots down Santa Cruz. So, it's not far-fetched to see him do that kind of something here. But, on a serious note, a compound is a part of Jamaica people. A compound people vote in our in our national elections. Yeah, while they vote in for them local elections, for choose them colonel, for local leadership. But all the citizens of Jamaica are citizens that our Prime Minister is answerable to. But again, by extension, all the citizens are answerable to the laws of Jamaica. And so this separation, that was kind of being touted, was all ill-advised and in bad taste, in poor taste. You know what I mean? Jamaica is for Jamaicans, all Jamaicans, and as far as we know, a compound is still within the borders of Jamaica. There's been some kind of misunderstanding recently. I think somehow the Maroon leadership kind of misread the borders of their powers. And all of a sudden we start to hear about indigeneity and Maroons being sovereign. Well, let's put that to rest. And let's all dance together. There's no sovereign state in Jamaica called a compound. There's no sovereign state in Jamaica called Moortown. Yes? Or any other Maroon settlement that may be there. See? Jamaica for all away. Within the borders of Jamaica, we all celebrate different aspects of the culture. Yes? According to certain treaties and things. And historical Maroon mores, them kind of have a certain kind of arrangement with them kind of quasi, govern themselves. And so, let's keep it at that. We could not fool ourselves. Say Maroons are not Jamaicans. And that the Prime Minister is not Prime Minister for all Jamaica. And the Jamaica's laws are not laws for all of Jamaica and Jamaicans. Yes? Another thing I want to talk about. You see when governments do bad and you see it, you have call it out. As a Jamaican citizen, you don't make no bones about when you beat them. Yeah? Metaphorically speaking. Yes? You don't make no bones about when you're calling out wrongdoing or what you see as not appropriate by the leaders that we elect and pay. See? You don't make no bones about them something there. You chat up as Jamaicans and you mustn't afraid for talk. By the same token, when you see something good happen, you can talk about it too. So to them in St. Thomas and I do some work. Yeah? And me see a school bus pull up beside me. I kind of park somewhere. A school bus pull up beside me. One of the new school bus, the yellow bus them, the vase bus them. As well I was what I want to call them. And me see two little girls come out of the bus. And then me see a man come out of the bus. I thought the first impression me get was that I the youth them father. But then looking on, me realize no, but this man here in a uniform. And when me look, me see a insignia upon the breast of the uniform, of the shirt, yes? So me realize is a JUTC or whatever, something, And the man walked to the front of the bus with the youth. Walking, and this was a big thoroughfare. One of the continuation of the highway running through St. Thomas. The man walked to the front of the bus, took the kids with him, stopped oncoming traffic, and crossed the two little girls. Now these little girls look like about 8, 9, thereabouts in age. And I asked the Virgin, I said, Virgin, I really them kind of service here we not provide in a Jamaica. And I actually applaud. I say, yes, my lad. I saw enough to behave. That's what we want to see of government providing service in this country. And it kind of make me feel good about Jamaica and what the possibilities are for us as a people. Seeing? Want to keep it up, man. Bust them kind of old still, as we know. But them are run, but the service that it is providing seem to be first class. Yeah? Over time, these buses will have to be changed out and thing. But when you keep up the service, man, it's a credit to the nation. The service. However the bus them come out is a whole lot of debate that and sitting. But the service, my lad, uno out of St. Thomas when I sit to them. Big up on yourself, man. Saying? Yeah. Again, I want to say to big up the people in my Fontabelle down at Chilani. We got there yesterday, run out some care package and spend some time. drink 2 jelly with the brethren them and all our reasoning and thing. You know, it was good to be able to hand out some care packages to some people. And it was always good for them amongst the people. You know? It's always good to see the smiles of the people, for just chat to them and just be a part of Jamaica. You know, see it? Because that is when you feel Jamaica, you know, when you go amongst the people. Now, when you go to the all-inclusive hotel down there and swimming at the beach where, you know, the regular man can't walk off of the street. You know what I mean? And come enjoy. When you actually there amongst the people. And it's a joy. See? So big up Chilani, big up Fontabel. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, my brethren Sarge down there. Kind of take me through the place. I mean, I say big up, you know. Thank you for allowing me to offer some assistance. Big up on yourself. People on the like, share, and subscribe, you know. I'm the Livingston again. Out! See? Big up on yourself.